Hi, I'm Alicia from artforthecreativesoul.com, your one-stop shop for art education inspired by great Black visual artists and culture. Thanks for watching this video today. In this video, we are going to focus on part 2 of our still life drawing. We created a still life collage, and in this particular video, we're going to do that potted plant. This is related also to our Create a Still Life like Mrs. Laura Willer-Waring, so make sure you check out that video. So I was able to arrange a simple still life around this cute little spider plant. I added a plastic tomato and a little bird figurine, and I'm going to draw that using a watercolor pencil, quick sticks, and Sennelier ink brushes. The vocabulary that I'm going to focus on in this video is contour and ellipse, and line and shadow. So let's get started. I'm going to sketch the plant pot using a watercolor pencil. I'll take my time and focus on the contour of the pot first, and then use ellipses to help create a rounded top and bottom. I'm also going to use this watercolor pencil to draw the little plastic top that the plant is sitting on. I'm sketching on a 6-inch by 9-inch sheet of student grade watercolor paper. I'm going to use a green quick sticks and ink brush to draw the leaves of the plant. And as you can see, I'm focusing on using curved lines. Now I'm going to use a paintbrush and a little bit of water to blend out the lines that I use to sketch the plant pot. This allows me to create some shadows. It helps to add shading and three-dimensionality to this painting. So now that I'm finished with the plant in this still life collage, I'm going to let it dry. And here's what the finished work of art looks like. So make sure, if you haven't watched them already, go back and watch Still Life Part 1, in which we draw the tomato, and then in Part 3 we draw the figurine and the finishing details. And remember to check out that Color and Learn art history activity, because it features Mrs. Laura Willer-Waring. Thanks again for stopping by, and make sure you watch another video and stop by our website, artforthecreativesoul.com.